Hello folks, how are you all doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. This is actually kind of take two of our Battery Evo coming in. We had it all and then we found out the video was all blurry. So we're redoing it again. It came in a nice box, but this is the packaging that it came with. Now then we have the other package that came with it as well. So that's, without further ado, let's go ahead and start unboxing this. Let's put this on the side, JJ. And Mr. J. I'm going to lift this up. Yeah, I thought I could have lifted it. Yep. Pull that off, please, for me. Pull. Oh, thank you. As you can see, that was really wrapped in there really good. This came over the top. And then now we have our cells right here. So far, everything looks good. We have our codes. We have all the seals. The seals look good. All the battery terminals are looking pretty good. They say that they test these batteries 3 different times to guarantee it's 150 amp hours for us here. So let's go ahead, and I want to take them out and take a look even further from the box itself. The box is going to be used as its case, to be honest with you. So here we go. Everything over here looks really good. I don't see any Mars, nothing else. Nice marine battery cells, guaranteed for over 2,000 charges, and they guarantee it there for 3 years. Just, Mr. J, can you take a look to see if the cells, do you see any cracks or anything?
No.
Looking around. Mr. C?
No cracks, nothing.
Completely perfect.
Good deal.
It's a 5-star company.
This is really pretty nice here and everything. Let's go ahead and see how they shipped them to us with the voltages on each cell. Boys, when we go ahead and we test these cells, the cell should be 3.65 or greater top charge. So we range, you know, it's probably going to be less because I don't think they can ship it that way. So what should we set the meter on?
20.
20, yeah.
About 20? Okay. Because the next voltage is 2. And 2 would be too little, maybe, right?
Yeah.
So we wouldn't get a really good reading. We would get an OL for overload.
And 200 would be too high.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That would be
You
when
would
they were-
hard to read the numbers and stuff and everything.
That would be probably when it was completely full.
Very good. Okay. Mr. J, can you do me a favor? Reach over here and just hold that for me. Okay. Now, you can see that these cells say plus and minus.
There it is.
The red is, this is negative, this, and red here is positive, negative, right? What does it read?
3.28.
3.28. Very good. Mr. J, go ahead and read the next one. Put the right ones in. .28. Mr. C.
Okay.
Put it in the proper ones.
Oh, that's...
3.28. Somebody hold this for me. What's it read?
3.28.
Oh wow, all of them are reading 3.28. Of course, that's not a perfect, you know, it's nice that they match the cells. Cells look like they're matched, which is good. Now, they also tell me that if once we hook it up, once we charge it down, and we fully charge it, and then we let it set with their BMS, then it should be able to balance themselves because it has a balancing system on it. Well, let's see what the kit has inside of it. And it actually comes with a nice Anderson 175 connector. You can connect your wires up to it and then make it and put it in here. Comes with the bolts, nicely threaded here, as you can see, right there. There's a nice long length of them, and that should be good to go. Comes with a nut driver. Comes with a top case to cover along with the pegs, so nothing gets into it. And it comes, instead of bus bars, it comes with a circuit board that acts as if for the low temp and high temp sensor right here comes into the play. And then it acts like a balance leads, and then it acts like bus bars right here. All in one. Real simple. All in one. Bus bars, 3 bus bars built into it, and then we have our balance leads coming through, and we also have the temp sensor right here coming through. So that's like the bus bars and the balance leads. And then we have the BMS, the battery. What is BMS, boys?
Battery management system.
Very good. And the BMS here has complete 250 amp circuit breaker built into it. Anderson plug-in. Turn it on and off. It tells you a little voltage reading here. And everything's right here. It's going to be pretty easy. Connect this to negative, positive, and this to the bus bar, the circuit board. And everything should be connected and running well. What we're going to do next, I appreciate it. This is just the unboxing of what comes with the kit. It's pretty fabulous. But if you decided they're a great company, if there was an issue, they'd handle it almost immediately. If there's, if you were just to order the cells by themselves, then we're going to teach you in the next video Kill Solar is going to be giving us a 120 amp BMS, and we're going to show you how to wire it up without using their kit. Then after that, the next video will show you how to wire it up with the kit and how we're going to charge it and how we're going to implement it into our solar generator. Thanks everybody. Say bye, boys.
Goodbye, boys.
Hope to hear from you soon again. Thank you and have a great day.